A hidden metal is set to outshine gold. Find out which one. What if I told you the next metal to outperform gold isn't silver, isn't platinum, and most people won't even notice it until it's too late? Today, I'm revealing the hidden metal quietly positioning itself to outshine gold, and why smart money is already moving. Stay until the end, because this isn't speculation. It's supply, demand, and inevitability. What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel, where we break down real wealth moves, not hype. Gold has protected wealth for thousands of years, but history shows something important. Every major technological shift creates a new gold, and right now, we're in the middle of one of the biggest shifts humanity has ever seen. 1. Why gold may not lead this cycle. Let's be clear, gold isn't dead, but gold has a problem in 2026. Massive institutional ownership. Slower upside compared to emerging assets. Heavy manipulation through paper markets. Gold protects wealth, but it doesn't always multiply it. Key takeaway: gold is stability. This cycle is about growth. 2. The metal. Nobody is talking about. The hidden metal isn't flashy. It doesn't get headlines. And it doesn't have mainstream hype. That metal is copper. Now, before you click away, listen carefully. Copper isn't a precious metal. It's a strategic metal. And strategic metals make people rich before the crowd notices. 3. Why copper is different this time. Copper sits at the center of electric vehicles, AI data centers, renewable energy power grids, military and aerospace tech. Here's the shocker. An electric vehicle uses up to 4x more copper than a gas car. And here's the real problem. New copper mines take 10 to 20 years to develop. Demand is exploding, supply is locked. Key takeaway: when demand rises faster than supply, price has only one direction. 4. The supply crisis. No one is pricing in. Most of the world's copper comes from politically unstable regions, requires massive energy to extract. Is facing declining ore quality translation? It's getting harder and more expensive to pull copper out of the ground. Gold can be recycled endlessly. Copper gets consumed. Once it's in infrastructure, it's gone for decades. 5. Why institutions are quietly accumulating. Big money doesn't announce moves, they position first. Signs institutions are watching copper. Long-term contracts locked in early infrastructure spending, tied directly to copper demand strategic stockpiling by governments. By the time the headlines scream, "copper boom," the biggest gains are already over. 6. How this could outshine gold. Gold shines in fear, copper shines in expansion, and right now, the world is rebuilding. Power grids, transportation, AI infrastructure, clean energy systems. Copper doesn't just store value, it powers the future. That's why analysts quietly call copper the new oil. 7. How everyday people can position. This isn't financial advice, but education. People gain exposure through copper-focused ETFs, mining companies' long-term infrastructure plays. The key? Position early. Think long-term. Ignore hype. Final thought. Gold will always matter. But this next decade isn't about ancient wealth. It's about strategic materials, and the hidden metal quietly set to outshine gold is the one the future cannot function without. If you want to follow up breaking down exact ways people are positioning, comment copper below. Hit subscribe if you're building wealth before the crowd, not after. See you in the next one.